Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that promise to keep you safe on the road. In the left corner, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and in the right corner, we have the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway and suddenly a UFO lands on the road. You want to capture that moment in all its glory? Well, both of these dash cams have got you covered. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, ensuring crisp detail day and night. Meanwhile, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K takes it up a notch with its 2.5K resolution. It captures crystal clear video at QHD 2560x 1440p, making those license plates and road signs pop. So if you want that extra level of detail, the VEEMENT Dash Cam is the way to go. Now let's talk about night vision. We all know that driving at night can be a bit tricky, especially when Bigfoot decides to cross the road. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has a wide dynamic range and an f1.6 aperture, which helps in low light conditions. But the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K takes it to the next level with its super night vision. With an ultra-large aperture and WDR technology, it balances the exposure in extreme dark scenarios, giving you clear and sharp footage. So, if you're a night owl or encounter Bigfoot frequently, the VEEMENT Dash Cam is the winner here. Now let's talk about convenience. We all love controlling things with our smartphones, don't we? Well, both of these dash cams have app control features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 allows you to use voice commands, only available in selected languages, to save videos, start-stop audio recording, and take still pictures. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi control through its app. You can instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone and even share them with friends and family. So if you're all about that seamless smartphone integration, the VEEMENT Dash Cam takes the crown. Now let's talk about protecting your car when you're not around. Both of these dash cams offer parking monitor features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has the parking guard feature, which monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. But the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K goes the extra mile with its 24-hour parking monitor. It automatically activates and records emergency videos upon detecting collisions, ensuring your vehicle stays safe from theft or vandalism. So if you want that extra peace of mind, the VEEMENT Dash Cam is the clear winner here. Both the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K have their unique strengths. If you're looking for incredible video quality and night vision, go for the VEEMENT Dash Cam. But if you prefer seamless app control and parking monitoring, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is your best bet. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy shopping.